I'm Christina. I reached out to Greg just the other day, well, yesterday actually, because I went up to the mountain this last weekend and, it was so difficult to drive with my horrible headlights. It needed work so bad. And I've just been postponing it. And it was so bad to the point where we were almost depending on the cars around us and using their lights so that we can see, because it wasn't enough to use our brights yet. So yeah, I reached out to Greg yesterday and he got back to me within the hour. And he's here today, in the rain, working for hours. It's cold out here, it's in the 40s, and he did an impressive work. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys reach out to Greg with awesome headlights.